Want to create interactive talking books in just 60 seconds and sell them for passive income without writing, designing, or paying monthly fees? This tool do all that in one click. Let's show you. Hi everyone, it's Ali here. Today I'm showing you Magic Book AI, the smart and easiest way to create interactive book that actually talk, play video, collect lead, and make money online. Let's be real. Normal ebook are dead. They are boring, no sound, no engagement, no excitement, and people you just read them anymore. But Magic Books AI changed the game. It's to turn any keyword into stunning interactive books with voice, video, GIFs, flip page, button, URL codes, and call to action, and more in any niche and in any languages, just in 60 seconds. You don't need writing or designing with teach skills or freelancer or experience. And the best part, no monthly fees. You literally type keyword and boom, your ebook is ready. Just like that. You can create kids book, comics, cookbooks, journals, planners, business guide, storybook, coloring book, and anything you want. You can publish and sell these books on Amazon, KDP, Etsy, Gumroad. Full commercial rights, so you can sell book creation as a service to clients to keep 100% of for you. This opportunity is Magic Book AI. It's one-time payment and you will get lifetime access, no monthly fees ever, limited books, and commercial license to sell books and profit. But listen, this deal is limited and the price will go up soon. So if you want to grab Magic AI book to start creating your creative books, I will leave the link in description. Don't wait. Thank you for watching. If this video helpful, hit like and subscribe. Click the link description to get Magic Books AI, and I will see you next one.